everyone, Sai Ram. Welcome to the science class. We were studying lesson number 9, that is the human body. This is part 2. We will quickly revise what we had seen in the last part. Okay? Yes. So, our body, yes, we have seen about our body, right? Our body is like a living machine, right? You can think, smell and do so many things, right? That no machine can do. Yes or no? You already know that our body has different parts and each part perform different functions, right? Yes. Then we had seen about organs. What is an organ? Tell me. Yes. Our body is made up of many parts that work together and each part has its own job. Each part of the body that does a special job is called an organ, right? Yes. Our body has two types of organs. First one is external organs and second one is internal organs, right? Let's have a look on them in detail. Okay? Yes. First is external organs. External organs are the parts of the body that can be seen. Okay? Some of them are single and some of them are in pairs. Like our head, nose, mouth, tongue are single, right? And our eyes, hands, legs, ears are in pair, right now? Now, let us have a look on this picture and read the mentioned body parts loudly with me. Okay? So, first is eyebrow, right? Second one is eyes, then nose. Yes. Read loudly with me, okay? Then hand. Yes. Arm. Then leg. Then forehead. You can see forehead. Arrow is pointing. Yes. That is forehead. Then ear. Then mouth. Chest. Stomach. Knee. And foot. Right? You have already learned that these body parts in your class 1 and 2. You have already learned about your external organs and internal organs in class 1 and 2. Right? This is just a revision. Okay? Now, we perform different activities with the help of different organs, right? Now let us have a look on them in detail. Okay? First one is legs. Our legs perform different activities. Yes or no? First, tell me, what can you do with the help of your legs? Yes. We can walk with our legs. We run with our legs. We can also kick a ball with our legs. Legs. Then what more? Can you tell me what more we can do with our legs? Yes, skipping and jumping. Right. Next is hands. Okay. Our body perform different activities like holding, eating, right? And that is with the help of hand. Our hand help us to hold, eat, paint, write, right? Okay? Then see the picture. Two kids are playing with a ball. The boy is throwing a ball and girl is trying to catch it. Right? So we can throw and catch with our hands. Next is mouth. Okay? We use our mouth to eat tasty food. Right? We smile, we speak with our mouth, right? These are the some external organs. Okay? Now we will discuss some sense organs. Okay? Today we will discuss about sense organs. Sense organs are a part of external organs. Okay? Yes. Now imagine you are walking along the road and there is a ditch ahead. You see it and you walk around. Now tell me, what would happen if you do not see the ditch? Yes, think about it, children. Yes. Again imagine one more thing. You are playing in your neighborhood and suddenly you hear thunder. You are able to reach your house before it begins to rain. Yes. Now tell me, what would happen if you do not hear the thunder? Yes. It is necessary for us to know what is happening around us, right? Yes. It helps us to decide what to do in any situation and we can keep ourselves safe. How do we sense what is happening around us? Tell me, children. How do we sense what is happening around us? That is with the help of our sense organs. Okay? Yes. There are some sense organs that help us to feel, see and sense our surrounding. Okay? How do you know about the thing around you? Yes, think about it, children. How do you know what is happening around you? Yes, it is with the help of your sense organs. There are 5 sense organs and they are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, these are the 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now let us have a look on each part in detail. Okay? The first sense organ is eyes. We see with our eyes, right? We can see the different colors, shapes. Then we can see different sizes with our eyes. Eyes also help you to make out if something is far or near. Okay? Eyes also help you to make out something is far or near. Now, see in the picture. Here, a family is watching television. Yes. Tell me, children, here a family is watching television with the help of what? Yes, tell me. Yes, with the help of their eyes, right? You can see yourself, you can see others and others can see you with the help of your eyes, right? So all the things which are around you, you can see those things with the help of your eyes. Flowers, birds, then trees, your mama, your papa, you can see them with the help of your eyes, right? Then we can tell the color of the things, right, that we can see. We can also guess the distance of the things from us. Okay? Yes. If you cannot see well, what will you do? Tell me. Yes, if we cannot see well, we can use spectacles to see, right? We can see shape of the things. If the thing is small or if the thing is big or if the thing is having circle shape or triangle shape, right? That we can see with our eyes. We can also see vehicles on the road, right? If vehicle is coming closer to us or if vehicle is going far from us, right? That we can see with our eyes, right? Next sense organ is nose. Okay, next sense organ is what? Nose. We smell with our nose, right? Smell can be good or bad. Yes, see in the picture, a girl is smelling a pleasant smell of the flower, right? Yes, a girl is smelling a pleasant smell of a flower with the help of, yes, with the help of her nose, right? Yes. What do you do when you enter a dirty room or you smell a garbage? Tell me, children, what do you do if you enter a dirty room or you smell a garbage? Yes, you will run away from the garbage, right? Or you will run away or you will walk away from the smell of garbage, right now? Yes, because garbage smell is bad smell, right? What about the perfume? Yes, perfume smells good, right? So you like to smell perfume smell, right? You can smell rose flower or you can smell lotus flower or any other flower. Okay? Your nose helps you to smell, right? If mama is cooking something delicious, right? You can smell that with the smell the food with the help of your nose, right? Yes. Yes. The next sense organ is ears. Okay? We hear with our ears. We can hear what is happening around us with the help of our ears, right? Our ears help us to tell if a sound is loud, soft, pleasant or unpleasant. Okay? Yes. Unpleasant sound is called noise. We can hear various sounds like a sound of a bird, vehicle, then animal sound, many more. We can hear many sounds, okay, with the help of our ears. Now see in the picture, a boy is listening a music. He is listening a music with the help of his, yes, with the help of his ears, right? Piano sound is pleasant sound. Pleasant means, tell me, piano sound is pleasant sound. Pleasant means a soft sound which we all like to hear. We feel happy when we hear a soft sound, right? That is called pleasant sound. Yes. Then we hear a unpleasant sound. Now noise. We hear a unpleasant noise from loudspeakers. Now tell me, what is the meaning of unpleasant noise? Yes. Unpleasant sound is a sound which we do not like to hear. Okay? Which do not give us happiness. So that is called unpleasant noise. Okay? Unpleasant sound is called noise. Yes children, this is all for today. In next part, we will continue with our sense organs. Okay? And we will see each part in detail.